Okay.
How long?
So what are we doing, y'all?
We're doing our
Working on the
ag
boat.
project.
For what's it
A
called?
boat.
For
An
Agriculture.
SAE, right? What does that stand for? Do you know?
I don't know.
We'll have to look that up. Maybe we'll put it in on the
Siri.
screen, right? Let's get into it. So, here is our boat. It's a work in progress. 14-foot flat bottom John boat. Her name is Flat Bottom Girl, right?
That is not her name. Oh, yeah.
It is her name. Okay, pay attention. So we're going to pull the boat out and we're going to see what needs to be done to the boat, right?
Yes.
So we got to finish sanding the bottom. We got to finish sanding the back. The other side needs bondo and sanded.
What does that mean?
Bondo is what you call filler to make everything fill in. Okay, what does SAE stand for, Brody?
Supervised agriculture experience.
Okay, so building a boat with your dad supervising is an experience, and boats can be used in agriculture, right?
Yes. Well,
For harvesting, fishing. What else? Getting crawfish.
That's practically surface.
Well, and then you also have like cranberry fields and rice fields where you have to use boats.
No.
This boat,
Not all the time.
quit.
just in some areas.
All right, so, all right. Now, we got the camera. We got the boat.
All the way?
Now we're gonna set her down.
On the...
Ready, help her.
Ooh, spiders! Okay. So this is our situation here.
All right, let's get this floats out. Let's get the floats out of the boat. Right. All right. So now you can see there's our transom. There's our bow area, our
Can I stand
gunwales,
the inside?
and the floor.
Can I stand the inside?
All right. So what we need to do, we have to build a bench in the back. We got to build a bench in the center.
Yeah.
Okay. The one in the center is going to have this cooler in the middle, just like that. No. We got to clean that thing up.
a big spot.
Yep, that's fine. And then we're going to have a bow up front, a casting deck that comes from here to here.
Who?
A casting deck.
Casting
that?
That's where you stand on it and you
Can I
cast.
stand inside?
Oh.
Sure, you got to kill
So,
the spiders though.
It won't like...
You can have it.
So they won't up for us to stand up here?
Well, yeah. Once we build it out. So yeah, there's going to be a deck up there. It's going to be flat. Okay?
It's gonna be flat?
Yeah.
I'll kill it with those things.
So you're building on top
I'll
of
kill it with
Yeah.
those things.
Makes sense.
Okay. Kill it. All right. So
So we got
Until then-
seat there, seat here, and
Yeah.
wait,
seat in the middle, seat in the back.
here, seat right here.
All right, you got to get out of there. Y'all are making it pop and stuff. Okay, we still got to brace this thing up. So, all right,
Thanks for taking it.
get in there and kill it. Good job. All right.
Hold on.
You're good.
All right.
All right.
So that is the basic plan for tonight. All right, so right now we're coming up with things that we need, right?
Yes.
I think that we're gonna need one more sheet of plywood.
Over what?
Huh?
Over what?
Over what?
Over what?
To build the benches. Okay.
Oh, there's a map on you.
Yep. So we need one more sheet of plywood.
Does that count or no?
No, we need to go buy a full sheet.
Like right
Okay. No, not tonight.
now. Oh.
This is a building exercise.
What does that say?
It
Means
like
that we're practicing for all of it, okay?
And we're
So-
getting to know.
What we're going to do is we're going to make a list. You got your phone on you?
I don't.
I do.
All right. One sheet of plywood,
You do.
okay? Half inch.
Half inch.
Okay, so 1 sheet by what?
Yep, it's half inch thick. And that should get us our 2 benches and our deck.
So that is that good?
Yep, perfect. We have plenty of adhesive, so we don't need any extra adhesive. All right, and we have enough plank wood to frame everything out.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way.
So, I'm not allowing them to use
This.
the circular saw, but they will use the chop saw when we.
What is that?
That's what it's supposed to look like. Okay,
All right.
so we need 4 boards just like this.
Oh yeah.
You gotta go.
I have them.
You didn't hear what I just said?
I did.
You did?
I just want to pass.
You just want to be difficult tonight?
That's funny.
Is that it? All right, hold that board.
That should,
Brody,
be,
hold the board, and Denver, you video for a minute.
that should be a dad joke video. Where am I holding it at? Just right
Just
here.
hold it. Okay. I'm going to do the cutting. We're going to get 4 of these. Actually, we probably need 5 if we can. What we're going to do here is we're going to put start this aft seat at about, we'll probably do 10 inches in the rear. Okay, about 10 inches. That should give us enough room for. Are you filming? Should give us enough room. For batteries. Right?
Yeah.
Or maybe 12 inches. Should we do 12 inches?
I mean, I think we're good right here.
And then
Can't text cause death.
Oh, I'm sure.
Some
And
can.
most of the time they just cause diseases that make you hurt real bad. Or make it where you can't eat red meat.
Turning into a vampire.
That'd be
That was a cat.
bat would turn you into a vampire.
Well, then I'm the bat. Because I like to hang upside down.
Of course you do.
It was late. I thought you said we were putting that in the middle.
We are.
The
How many on those
camera's on.
boards?
Ow!
When the camera's rolling for 20 minutes, it gets hot.
Who?
Camera rolls for 20 minutes, it gets hot. Feel the front.
That's not hot.
It's warm.
I think we will slide this other one up. There. What you think?
That's good.
There.
Yoo-hoo.
Denver.
Right here.
You know you are. You need it over here, not right there.
Alright, board.
The board. This board?
Yes, that one.
What are you doing? Huh?
What do you mean what am I doing?
What's up? What are you doing?
What do you mean?
You're getting an attitude with Brody about this board, but you're out there dancing around like a banshee.
That's funny.
Well, what?
Things are fighting.
Now, we've got the boat starting to flare back out on the sides, right?
Mm-hmm.
You see that? You see it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what we need to do now is we need to lock these in place.
So wait, are we gonna have it to where is there just gonna be like an empty space in the floor or no?
What do you mean? In between? Water has to be able to run to the back of the boat.
No. We're like
Inside the boat?
put it on top of here. Is that something I can take out?
Hey, that one's not all the way down.
So we're not covering this up.
It's going to be boxed in with plywood.
This?
No, the sink faces.
Okay,
And
where are we going to
the
put this
cooler, the cooler's going to sit here, and that's where someone's going to sit.
Which is in the middle.
I have two coolers. We put life jackets in one cooler, and we put fish and ice in the other. Or we put drinks in one, or whatever. It don't matter. Okay? So,
What?
good cash. Crucial cash.
I thought you and Birdie were supposed to be working out.
Not today or this week.
Okay. How long do we have here?
We have about like 25 minutes left.
Alright. Well, let's call it short for tonight. Go ahead and tell the camera bye.
Bye y'all.
Goodbye.
We're gonna pause on it for tonight.
Top button.
The power button.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.